All right, guys, real quick, want to go ahead and interrupt and remind you that the giveaway for the 79 Come and Swap Power Wagon ends on February 28th. So the days are going by pretty quick, guys. On the 28th, we're going to close out the giveaway, and one of you guys will be a lucky winner. So go ahead and get entered, guys. It's only 25 bucks. The link is in the description of this video.
Pull one guy out just to try and make it. In the field. That's the biggest grid I've seen. Guys, they don't want to hook to the car because no one wants to crawl down there, so they hook to the freaking wheel, and they're going to try to leave the car in neutral, pull it out. Look, the fender's crunched on it. They've already crunched the fender on both sides. They're hooked to the freaking wheel. They're about to pull the front of this car off. This is going to be great.
You're neutral? All right.
This guy looks like he's had a couple sodas.
Come on, come on.
So guys, update status. This guy basically didn't want to help any with hooking the straps up, so he just would rather sit there. We're leaving him. If you don't want to help, at least get out and hook a strap up, then you're a young guy.
We ain't crawling around for free.
We ain't crawling around for you, just for no reason. Oh shit.
In the field. Go to the left.
That's where they went. And that's where we're going.
Oh no! Give her help! Give her help! Don't let out!
Go, go, go. We're still moving. We're still moving. We're still moving.
Get out here, get out here,
We're
get out
still
here,
moving.
get out here.
Go, 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 go.
I can't
go.
see.
Yeah, you're good. Go right, go right.
Okay. Yeah, you
Oh,
can.
dude, my
No,
truck
no, no,
is
stop.
smoking.
Oh, she's smoking.
It's probably a snowing radiator.
Well, guys, Derek has got the LBZ stuck. This is not good. Well, guys, status update. The transmission is basically shot in Bailey's truck. We're trying to limp it back to my house right now.
Got a long ways to go.
We got a long ways to go. We got like 5 miles. She's shot. She's gone. No transmission. Done. Over. We're getting pulled back by a Jeep Cherokee that we just pulled out and broke the trans. We actually ripped the hitch off of it, as you guys can see. Ripped the hitch in half. Now it's pulling us. We're just trying to do the unibody. Pulling it back to my house. We're gonna have to do a rebuild on this thing, but luckily we have the 03 dually sitting around, so Bailey's just gonna take that thing for the night. You know, guys, I've had skid steers, tractors, all kinds of equipment this year that would have been really nice to have, but all I'm stuck with at this point in time when we get the snow is this little shovel. We can do this, guy. I got the dump truck out of the 3-foot snow drift in front of the door. I had to floor it in reverse. Got a little bit cleaned up in front of the house with the old snow shovel. Now I'm gonna try and get Bailey's truck in there and start getting some of this ice melted off, which is going to absolutely suck. It would frick the heat on this thing. I'll probably let this thing run all day, honestly. So look, you can see how hot Bailey's trans was last night. We blew the trans out of it, obviously, in the snowdrifts last night. But it was so hot that it made like a little, it melted the freaking snow all the way down to the ground. It's nuts. Now I gotta get, I'm hoping it wouldn't move at all last time we had to tow it here, but I'm thinking once it cooled down, it's gonna move now. I think the trans maybe has a little bit left in it to move her into the garage. Black ice in here so bad. All right, let's real quick while it's cold, guys. Really hate to do this cold truck, but I don't want the trans to get warm at all. I want to see if it'll. The throttle cable's frozen. Guys, this thing will not move. I don't know what we're gonna do to get it in here. So I gotta get someone over here that can plow that, and then the trans fluid in this thing is black. Look at this stuff. It's black, literally. Trans is smoked. Or maybe possibly just the you guys didn't see that. You guys didn't see that. Can't even hear the engine because it's so insulated. That is a solid chunk of ice covering the transmission. You've got to be kidding me. I don't know what to do. I got a guy that's supposedly on the way to do my driveway, so we'll see how that goes. Shows up in a freaking 12 valve, come on. Big old monster plow on the front of her. That's what's up. He knows what he's doing too. You can tell he knows what he's doing. He's just one of those guys that...
He's been doing it for 35 years.
He's been doing it for like 30 years. He bought that truck brand new. It's all clean inside. He had like service records right on the dash. This is current state, guys. This is where we're at. Getting her thawed out. This is a good job for Bailey to do. Jeez. Mason volunteered to get the torque converter bolts.
Dude, I thought you was going to reuse that.
We're going to reuse the fluid, but...
No, I am.
You're still going to reuse it? I mean, it's just a little brown. It'll be fine now.
I don't know why I get stuck with these every time.
You don't know what you get... Dude, that's the best parts, doing the converter bolts.
Does it come from lower? Yeah, it comes from lower. There you go.
Pick it up so I can pull the... Yeah. That was a clutch at one time. It's metal now. This one's still got a little bit left in her. Not really. Well, I think like on 47 they're the same. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like they're the same clutch. I know they are actually. This one's big rough, I guess. Big sniper rifle.
on drift busting again? You gonna do that again? Do I want to rebuild the trans again? No, not really. Let's get a good half throttle pull through the gears. Pressure up a little bit, guys, on the valve body. Also has a built input now and a triple disc converter, all new clutches. That's going to wrap up the end of this video. Do me a huge favor, leave a like down below, subscribe to the channel, and go ahead and get entered. So the link is going to be in the description below if you guys want to get entered to win the 79 Dodge that we were working on a couple videos back. Delivered it up to Truckmaster. That thing is super sick, and I really want one of you guys on the Dirty Diamond channel to win it. So go ahead and enter the link below. It's 25 bucks to enter. That gets you one entry, but that's all it could take to win this thing. So without further ado, that's gonna wrap it up. See you guys on the next one.